Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Oukitel OT11. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now click on Manage your Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy and then you have to scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. And here you have to scroll all the way down and check these two checkboxes. Then click Delete account. And now your account should be removed, so now let's recover it. So open, for example, Google Play Store. And then click Sign In. Now you have to enter your email address and then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted and I have to click Next to recover it. And now let's enter password and click I agree. Then click Accept. And as you can see, my account is now recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.